Embark on a culinary journey to Brazil with the traditional Aipim com Carne Seca recipe. A beloved dish that combines the hearty flavors of dried beef with the soft, comforting texture of cassava, also known as Aipim. This dish is a staple in Brazilian cuisine, offering a delicious blend of textures and flavors that epitomize comfort food. The journey begins with carne seca, or dried beef, a key ingredient that requires preparation ahead of time. To ensure the beef is ready for cooking, it must be soaked overnight in cold water. This process is essential to remove excess salt and rehydrate the meat, making it tender and suitable for the dish. The next day, change the water a few times, then simmer the carne seca until it's tender and easy to shred. While the beef is being prepared, peel and cut the Aipim cassava into chunks. Boil these in salted water until they are fork tender. Some prefer to mash the Aipim to a creamy consistency, while others leave it in chunks to preserve a bit of texture in the final dish. In a large skillet, heat a splash of oil and soft finely chopped onions, minced garlic, and diced bell peppers until they're soft and fragrant. Add the shredded carne seca to the skillet, allowing it to brown slightly and mix well with the aromatics. This step infuses the meat with a rich depth of flavor. Now, combine the sautéed carne seca with the boiled Aipim in a large pot or serving dish. If you're looking to add an extra layer of richness, layer in some creamy cheese between the Aipim and carne seca. As the dish warms through, the cheese will melt, creating a wonderfully creamy texture that complements the meat and cassava beautifully. Garnish the dish with freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. Serve Aipim com carne seca with a side of fluffy white rice, which perfectly balances the rich flavors of the main dish. Aipim com carne seca is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of Brazilian culinary traditions, bringing together the rustic charm of dried beef with the earthy goodness of cassava. Each bite is a testament to the power of simple ingredients, transformed through love and tradition into a dish that's both nourishing and comforting.